Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. On today's video is another great video, guys. I'm shooting this video all the way from my typical village home here in Kenya, Africa. To be specific, Sibania Nyabohanse village near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So this day today we are going to share with you our daily routine over here in Kenya, Africa, or in my home, and what I usually do early in the morning, or just a general day what I usually do. So feel free to subscribe, don't forget to like, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. So my recent videos that I did, they have been so much okay, some with positivity, others with negativity, but we don't mind. We just appreciate. We keep on hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, you know. So yeah, it's a beautiful day, and the sun is really scorching from this up, very nice. And yesterday we received some plenty rainfall. That was the start of our blessings. So I started doing what we call like also making some furrows over here, but I'm waiting for some oxen to come and help me prepare this. And we have, wow, a very nice morning. Listen to the birds chirping. Chiri, 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 chiri. Have some birds making a lot of noise, thanking the Almighty God for another blessings of the day. As you see, we have a very beautiful homestead that is surrounded by most of the indigenous trees around. And also over here we have a very nice area. Look at the sky. The sky tells you a lot about this home. You know, when the sky is blue, they always say once in a blue moon, but this one is once in a blue sky. So have you ever seen a blue sky? This is a blue sky now. When you see it with your naked eyes, it looks pale or what, something like that, but now it's blue on camera. Very, very, very nice. And this also is our compound. Over here we have this kind of trees that really protect us. Actually, you know, the good thing about having trees near your homestead is that having this kind of trees near your homestead, most of the indigenous trees, making your home like look inside the bush, they really help from strong winds. Like if we couldn't have this kind of trees that really protect us from strong winds, those roofs that you see there, like my parents' roof, it's very high, very, 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 very high. Let me show you. You could have not, these roofs could have gone. I'm telling you. This is our bulletproof house. For those who don't know, this is our mud house that was improved to become a permanent house. It's just like this. This is my brother's house, Jacob, the one who usually do what you call like trimming of these flowers. And that's my young brother Mugendi's house, though it's not yet complete. And yeah, the reason what I'm telling you is that that roof, that's my parents' house. So the roof is so high, which means that if we couldn't have this kind of trees around. Hey, and we always have this wind that comes from these hills. We have some hills around here. That always bring a lot of wind. Like now, look, the wind is blowing. Yeah? It's blowing. It's very evident from even the leaves, as you see. So there's some hill. That side is hilly, and this side is slopey. So most of the wind comes from this side. I don't know if it's called monsoon winds or I don't know, but they are very, very, very strong winds. Sometimes when they come this side, we used to have a structure like this. These are structures that when you see most people want to make bricks, they make this kind of structures. So like this, I used to have one over here, and it was washed away by wind, strong winds. So I had to do a very strong permanent one like this one that really helps on when even there are strong winds, it cannot be carried away. So that's a structure that we always store bricks. I'll take you there. And this side is where we always sit when it's so hot or when it's sunny. This is the place that we sit during hot day, or if you want to chill, maybe edit videos, maybe if you have friends, or you want to have your own time far away from being inside, maybe you want to have your own time, maybe having a phone call, this place is the best. So that's why you see we arrange these two chairs. They are movable, so every day I feel like I can put some polythene cover, but I don't get time. But some days I'll show you how we are renovating them. So most of the content creators usually come. This place has really mentored a lot of content creators. This place, the way you see it, starting from this point, this is where we always sit with content creators. Maybe for those who want to start a YouTube channel, I always sit with them here, coach them a little bit, then they start their journey. This place has monetized more than 10 channels. This place, more than even 20, and it has created names. Sometimes when you see most of the content creators having different names, this is the place that I usually do what we call like suggest names for them. They choose and we say, oh, this is okay, so go on this place. So whenever I see this place, actually I feel so much blessed, because it has really done what we call like it has created memories. Some have gone, some have just been in their own space, but I appreciate Almighty God. So actually also I was really looking forward towards doing what we call like starting my own small office, that it can be even at home or it can be in town. I can start my own small office that I can also coach what you call like maybe during monetization, because most of the content creators over here struggle with monetizations. So with that little knowledge that I have, some days I'll open our office, and that I'll make a living through that, because those days back I used to make for free, but nowadays, because I have also what we call like a lot of tasks. I have grandma over here, and also today I'll be updating you about grandma's state, because it has been almost like 2 months I haven't shown you grandma, because there are those who also feel like, oh man, you wanna see grandma, where is grandma? There are those who also make some calls asking me about grandma. So today you'll be able to see grandma on this video. We are lucky, because this is the time she wants to have sun. So sometimes I take her in out for her to have sun. So yeah, something like that. So a lot of tasks, man. So I need money, I need money. Even if it's $10, I need that money to just buy maybe BIBI pampers, maybe to buy her medication, to pay maybe some of the people who are helping me around here. So through that work of monetization, maybe the channel has been hacked, maybe the channel has been done this verification, everything through boxes. So when you pay me even that $10 will be better. But for now, I've just fixed prices for the monetization, that if you don't want, then it's well and good. When your channel will go and feel bad, it's upon you. Yeah, so I used to do it for free, but nowadays a lot of tasks has pushed me to do, because it's a lot of work. Sometimes you find that most of the channels that has been maybe somebody told you to come and I help you, and you fail. You say that no, you can do it on your own, and when you mess, you feel like now you remember Claude is here to help you. The channel that has been monetized and it's failed, I can charge even double. But the one that you felt like, oh, this you have done what you call like you have brought to me fair price. The one that has maybe you gave somebody monetize it and did something wrong, ×2. Because now that's work. It's a lot of work, guys. Don't see that a content creator around maybe holding a camera and maybe ads are running. Please don't forget to watch the ads, because it's a lot of work, man. Yeah, so today I'm very much happy, because on this other side, this is our yard. I always show you. So a fruit, we can say it's a fruit yard or a fruit what? A fruit yard, let me say so. And also these are the benches that I created here. Some days when I'm far away, I want just to feel like I want to be in the nature, inside the nature. I put my mat here. I can sleep down here. I can sit on the bench and just feel the positive energy of the trees. So like, let me show you, like this tree. It's a very indigenous tree. It's called language tree. So this language tree, when I sit like this, when maybe somebody has pissed me off, or when I'm just having my own time, I come and it acts as like what you call like as a chair. So it protects me like this. So when I put my head like this, I literally feel like there's a positive energy entering me and the negative energy is just leaving. So when somebody pisses me off, and when maybe I feel so much exhausted with a lot of stuff, or when I feel maybe things are not moving well, I just come and sit here, put my phone down, maybe with some relaxing music, read some book. I read some storybooks. There are some books that I came with them from school. Some I buy them. So you just read and you pass a day. Or I just sit like this. You know, there's actually there's something with trees. There's something special with trees. So you plant a lot of trees, also indigenous trees around you. People usually say that trees can give you positive energy and they can also give you negative energy. So it depends with an approach that you are going with. If you go with an approach of maybe like this tree is very cold. If you go with an approach of negativity, it will give you negative energy. If you go with an energy of positivity, the same tree will give you positivity. So let me know in the comment section what you think about that. And our project is still going on well, but I can see there's some carrots coming out. These are carrots, you know, the nanthes. So I decided to raise the nursery bed up because now they were, you see, like this one, these are sweet peppers. They don't have any problem because with them they'll stand strong. But when it comes to the nanthes or the carrots, they are very weak when they are at this stage. When you saw them, they are at this stage, very weak, very weak. So you have to raise the nursery bed to be on this position. Let me show you. You have to raise this nursery bed to be on this position so that they can really grow well, you know. You see, like these ones, they are very tiny. The problem with them that they are very tiny, very tiny. So if you don't raise them, you'll find that they have slept like this one. You see, like this one was sleeping, oh my god, just like that. So you have to put the soil very soft and loamy, so that the penetration of water also and other stuffs. This one, I just wanted for them to be open like this, so that I can benchmark the difference between having strong sunlight and these ones under shade, you know. So half of this is sweet pepper there, sweet pepper, and half of this are this carrots, and this full one is carrot up to down there. So your village boy Claude Joseph, I cannot give up, and I'll not give up, because mostly the problem came when I was when it rained so much, you know, and there were a lot of hailstones. Oh come on, man, let me show you something. There's a banana here. That's the good thing of being in the village. But before I go there, let me give you this story. When it rained too much and it rained hailstones, it really destroyed our crops. It really destroyed some of the people's properties. So, but on this other zone, it never rained too much with hailstones. It just rained a normal rain with no disaster, with no distractions. So we planted, I told you that we were having over 5,000, we were almost 10,000 what we call like onions. They were on a nursery bed like this, and they have already sprouted out. But the biggest problem is when it rained, everything, it washed away everything. It also washed our beetroots. But we never gave up. We're still on, moving slowly by slowly. So let me show you something. You see, these are fruits. But the most funny thing is, look at this. It's already ripe. Eh? It has already ripened. Look at this. It has already ripened. So I don't want to interfere with it. That's the good thing of having this in the village, man. So by the time we'll be eating this one will be ready. This one that is over here, let me show you. This one will be ready. By the time this is finished, there's another one over here, over there. By the time that one will be over, we have another one down there. Oh my god. Let me know at the comment section, how much can this cost? It has already ripened up, just on the tree trunk. Alright guys, let's head back. I want to take you to my grandma's place, or to my grandma's house, and you see how stuffs are. Look, everywhere is trees, flowers, everything, you know, everything. So you really love this. Everywhere is trees. Very nice indigenous trees. We have this kind of a flower. It's a tree. More so, these trees are just in Asia mostly. More so in the Asian part, these trees, because they really have this kind of flowers. And most of the Chinese, most of people from Malaysia, Hong Kong, they love this kind of flowers. So most people, when we planted that, my dad was like, it will bring a lot of snakes. I don't know what. But we have never seen a snake. Also this one over here. Oh wow, man. I don't know what the name of this kind of a flower, but please let me know, guys. Tell me, you know. We have our homemade roses. These ones, just like that. I think I have to pluck one and take it to grandma. Let me pluck this. Hey, this one is better. Let me take it to grandma. Take this one to grandma. Say, quick recovery, grandma. Quick recovery, grandma. It has been almost 1.5 years since she became sick. Yeah, let me go check grandma. But before that, I have to put her under sun. So I think it will be better. Oh, they already prepared even a chair for me. That's a good thing. They prepared me a chair, so she always sit here. But through that, hey, Sude, so where are you coming from, man? Come on. Coming from seeing grandma? Say hi. Hi. A very healthy dog. Hi. Sude, where are you from? Huh? No, this is for grandma. You want this? Oh, beautiful great dog. Let's go check grandma. Grandma. One thing I love about her house is that very clean. Very clean. So this is a machine. It's called Honda. Yeah, it's a machine that I always use to pump water. The land there. That her house is very clean, very clean. So even I won't go in. So I have to take my shoes off for me to go in. You know, this really symbolizes that you know, the house must be clean. Yeah, BIBI. How you doing, ma? Hey. Kulikai. Hey. Haya. Quick recovery, grandma. Maua ndio haya. Sikiri achia hapo. Ngawatera maua kano. Maua mazuri yapendeza. Ndio haya. Maua mazuri yapendeza. Nikiyatazama. Unajua kuimba wimbo, bibi? I'm trying to sing with grandma. Sing with grandma. Maua mazuri yapendeza. Nikiyatazama yanameremeta. Maua mazuri yapendeza. Oh my god, guys. Oh man, I'm happy having my grandma alive, man. You know, though despite that she's sick, sometimes when she's just like this, she's talking, though she's at least like talking, she can eat, but the funny part is she cannot walk. She cannot walk completely. Like now I have to carry her to the sun and see what's happening. Yeah, sasa bibi. Salimia watu waambie hi guys. Wasalimia waambie hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
Good.
Subscribe. Like. And share. I will be wimbo haidoma ile mulale haidoma mwapikila ngade haidoma iye mulale haidoma haidoma iye mulale haidoma mani kimolale haidoma iye mulale haidoma haidoma iye mulale haidoma haidoma iye mulale haidoma iye hauna sauti bibi nowadays. Yeah, ruka yeah, ruka. I'm telling her to jump. That is her old energy to jump, just carrying it like that. So the funny thing also, guys, is that this leg, I don't know what's the problem. This leg, I've been having what you call like a physiotherapist. He always come to straighten this leg. But this other leg, it's kinda straight. But this one, she always cries. So this leg. So this leg actually gives her a lot of hard work. Even the moment she can't walk now because the leg it has made an acute, you know. I don't know if it's at 90 degrees. Yeah, it has made a 90 degrees posture. So, but the doctor always come and pull it like this, straighten it a little bit. But this cries when that doctor comes because the doctor always, I don't know if he uses a lot of force because he comes once like this week he has come like no, the previous week he came the full week. So this week he has been coming like once. He told me he should be skipping at least one day for her to give grandma at least time to breathe. But also, if you know, guys, what's the cause of this? Because me taking her to the hospital, they always tell me they cannot do what you call like surgery because she's too old. So they always said for me to look for a physiotherapist who usually help so to strengthen it. But I thank God that she's at least improving. Past 2 weeks she was in a cabbage state and we were recommended to some medicines. I was looking at them. These ones, we have this glucomate, is I think for sugar. We had we have glucomate. We had so glucomate, this is how glucomate looks like, you know. We had another one, I don't know where the box, they have thrown the box too, but always every medicine has its own day. Wednesday, Monday, so she has to take one. And also we have this called Mapiban. This is actually, she developed a, because you know sometimes she's when I'm not around she always sleeps like this. So she developed a wound at the hip, at both hips. So that's why you see she sleeps using her back. So she developed a wound at her both hips. So we always use this to apply at her hip where there is a wound, which is very, like, the wound needs a lot of nursing. So if you come actually in this house, you think we are doctors and nurses in here, because we have this also. These are the gloves, and yeah, the gloves, let me show you some happy gloves and masks. The meds are here. I have a lot of medication that are here. On the other hand, let me check. They have remained like 3 of them. So these are her diapers, senior diapers that she always uses in the day. Sometimes when she's outside, we have to take off, you know, so something like that. So this is basically a lot of tasks. That's what I'm telling you. A lot of things have been happening. That's why you see, even if I put one content and I'm gone, there's a lot of things. So let me take grandma out, and yeah, we'll talk about it. Okay? Yeah. So guys, I have to carry grandma.
Wait.
Well,
Wait,
enda
tata
tuende.
nguye.
No, no.
Tata nguye, tata nguye.
Ago huko.
Wait, tata nguye. Utati umukami. Ataki hapa tutahati kile.
Hai hato.
Wait, anora hangahe.
Aya.
Aya.
So,
Aya.
let me bring her.
Yeah. Wait.
Let me bring her something what we call like sorry. Let me bring like a chair where she'll be putting her legs, because I don't want her legs to be scratched again. There's a certain chair that I'm looking, a small chair that we always use. Hey, Mora. This kind of a chair. It's a very traditional chair. You know? It's a very traditional chair. You know, she can raise this leg alone.
Aya.
She can raise this leg alone. Haya, ukono. The left leg. Takora mbili. The left leg.
Atiambe kukuruta.
The left leg is.
Ukamuvele no gara tatika kuruta.
The left leg, guys. It's kinda shaking. But the good thing is like we keep her clean. That's the best way. Bibi. Haya, salimia watu sasa wewe. Wapungie mkono. Waambie kulikai. Waambie utapiga nduru. Waambie subscribe. Like.
Live.
Hapa tuko na wewe hapa.
Hapa.
Hatukupeleki sehemu, tuko na wewe hapa.
Hapa tu.
Hapa tu.
Hakuna mahali mwingine.
Ni hapa tu. Unataka uende wapi? Dar es Salaam? Nikupeleke Dar es Salaam?
Wewe utanijua.
Hawatakujua. My grandma is saying that if I take her to Dar es Salaam, nobody will recognize her. But na sawa bibi, wewe pumzika. Umesikia? Pumzika hapo. Umesikia? Dar es Salaam, uende Dar es Salaam.
Sahi.
She's asking me, can I take you to Dar? I'm telling her, can I take you to Dar es Salaam? And she's like, if you take me to Dar es Salaam, will we reach today? But anyway, that's her sayings, and that's just our daily routine with grandma over here, taking her in, out, and that's her updates, the real updates about her. She's alive, she's doing what we call like she's breathing. The only thing is she can't walk, but we are trying as much as we can, because we are involving this with the nurses and doctors, and there's a physiotherapist who usually come in and out to help, who always come in to help and check on her status of the legs and stuff. You know, at this point you might not know, maybe it is arthritis, maybe it can be arthritis, can be, you know, when somebody goes old, sometimes there's a lot of things that comes with old age. For her, she has high blood pressure, sugar, which is diabetes, and a lot of stuff. So with me, I always pray to Almighty God for protection, for her to be there with us. And sometimes she has her own what we call task. Even if she's sick, she has her own task over here. You know, somebody cannot come and steal when she's here. She can recognize, oh, this is this guy who did this. So with me, I give much thanks to you all, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing with us, showing some love. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and also if you have more advices at the comment section down below, and also at the description point you can reach us out. Thank you so much. Be blessed. May Almighty God bless you all. Peace to you all and bye. Bye guys.